I love finding alternative uses for everyday products, and today we're talking about dryer sheets, which not only contain fabric softener, but they also help eliminate static electricity. And because of that, they're great for cleaning dusty surfaces throughout the house, starting with Venetian blinds. Cleaning a blind this size is just a terrible job, and you don't want to do it very often. So with a dryer sheet, not only are you wiping off the dust, but it also is killing the static electricity that's attracting the dust. So if you use a dryer sheet to clean these, you'll need to clean much less often. It's usually best to start at the top and work your way down. Now, besides Venetian blinds, these dryer sheets are also great for cleaning computer screens and TV screens. And again, for the same reason, as soon as you turn on the TV, that burst of electricity attracts dust and it sticks. So you can use a dryer sheet just to clean it off. And this will not only, again, remove the dust, but it'll kill the static electricity so it won't get dusty as often. Now, these are just two uses for dryer sheets, but you really can use them to clean any flat, dusty surface anywhere in the house.